For this video, magagawa tayo ng tabbouleh salad. Ang ating mga kailangan ay meron tayong parsley, cut into small pieces, tomatoes, cut into small pieces, green onion cut into small pieces, mint leaves cut into small pieces, these are the ingredients for our tabbouleh salad. We have lemon, salt, olive oil, parsley, tomatoes, mint leaves, green onion. Let's start with the parsley. Add the tomato, add the mint leaves, add the mixture of green onion with lemon, salt, and pepper. Put salt, lemon, olive oil, and then mix the salad until they combine all the ingredients. The salad is ready now to serve. Thank you for watching.